Okay, so let's go back now. Alright. Seems to be a little bit problem with the stream. Okay. Hope it's all good now. Let me check. Okay, go back. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Hello. Okay. We're gonna try to search on surprise string to macro. Let's see. Use string in macro. Come on. Okay. Let's see. I should create a new class, new test file. I think much better than all in one file. Let's see. Should I create a new test file or not? Let's think. if we do this on this file, we have to comment a lot of things stuff because things will gonna change. Oh. Projects about the sounds here, my cat. Whatever. Testing first. Define test macro here. Okay, and okay, do something. Okay. No, I've been something. In a test printing something. Call from the test macro. Okay, so print something, and according to the stack overflow that I do research here, we just use the what this symbol called again? I can't remember. Yeah, power side. Okay. Yeah. Test macro is going to be X. Yeah, it's okay. X. And then try to do something at here. Yeah, I should separate it to the two sections here because they're gonna be messed up and a lot of stuff. New section for section for optimizing. Let's see. Hey, thank you for coming. New people. 你好. Should I say 你好? Yeah. I'm from Bangkok, Thai. Yeah. Now I'm in Guangdong, Shenzhen. Yeah. Optimizing. Okay. So I'm gonna test macro here. Hello test. And yeah, let's see. Gonna test in make vector. Okay, no, just yet. Now we have a choice whether add the semicolon here or not. No, not make. Okay, but oh, vector. Okay. Yeah. I should change this. The result is going to be hard to find if I don't change it here. Remove two line. Okay, I changed it at the bottom now, so it's going to be easy to find. Make vector. I just have to target when I do a make file. Make here, as you can quickly see here. Just for remind, I have to target. Yeah. To target vector dot here. You can see here is to build a specific dot struct that I define to the testing. But another one is general purpose. This is we call make vector. So this is here, yeah, for that target. So you can see I just type make vector, so it's going to compile that relevant files only. But if I do make, it's going to compile both of vector dot and vector. Yeah, but I don't want to spend time on compiling dot stuff, so I just do make vector. Yeah, and the result is here. Hello test. Yeah, and because macro here, it trade everything and print it out. So we can just leave double quote here. Okay, so we just test supplying the string into the macro, and it's work already. Yeah, just add a new line as well maybe. Yeah, so hello test there. Hello test here. Yeah. Okay, let's continue our work here. I'm gonna quit this window first. Let's see how can we do this. It seems like we cannot put the void buffer in the header anymore. I think we need to chain into inside. Into inside. We still need to do a conversion. That's the bad thing. Every single time we have to do conversion, that I don't like it. So what I'm thinking right now, and try to solve the problem that I try to get rid of this void buffer, because at runtime we have to convert this back. But in the user code that you already see, yeah, I need to show you here. Hey. Yeah, as you can see in the line, as you can see in this line I show you already. Yeah, at this code, when you use the buffer here, you look at the structure of the vector as well, and you look on the right window, you will see that we buffer, yeah, we auxiliary buffer there and try to get the element out. What is ugly here is that we need to do conversion by user themselves, so this is put burden on the user. I don't like it, so I try to change this, but I'm not sure we can achieve this or not in C. Yeah, so think about try to do this. Definitely it should involve using macro. So in the same way that we already test in this like a test macro here on the right side, test macro here, and then we supply something inside, and then yeah, apply the structure inside. Okay, this is very hard. Buffer pointer to hold. Oh. Do you have any suggestion on this? Buffer pointer to hold. Okay, let me do this. For every of the define this should be name, structure name, and this could be estimate length, and we have no need to know the size of the byte anymore. Because the previous code base is that we know the stripe in order to know how many bytes of the structure, so we can calculate something like this. I can show you something like here. You see on this, so we can do a calculation to get the specific index here. So stripe will be given by the user. In this case, user no need to specify, but we're gonna calculate the total of byte from the input name of the structure. Okay. Can do this. Yeah, I think we can wrap the definition of the macro in do while statement. Meow. Meow. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this y is true. My cat. Oh. Come on. Yep, okay, continue. Do y. Yep. Oh no more. Y is true. Let's test, I think, maybe. Let's test it. Then something. So what we create here is going to be another version to improve the performance here. So we're gonna test it. So on the left side of the panel is going to be the code about vector, and on the right side at this one I'm gonna test the stop. Maybe I change this too. Just remove it. Okay, so try this. blah blah blah. Okay. Oh, yeah. One. We can include that to solve the problem in order to known, yeah, std bool.h. So we can have use true or false, but I don't try to use that in here. Just use one. Then, boom. Okay, something. Oh no. Yeah. It's work now. Correctly. 78. So let's see. Oh, actually we should. Yeah, false. Yeah, that's it. And this, we're gonna create a struct on the file on the fly. Gonna copy this. So yeah, assert is going to be on that side as well. Yep, I'm gonna just copy all of this. Yeah. So common debug is, I can show you here. Common debug is just use assert. Yeah, actually we can do it. We can do it better, like a check if the in debug is not defined, so we're gonna include assert. Oh no, maybe we shouldn't do that. Okay, gonna copy the code from vector new here. Three. Oops. Too much. Oh, we have to restruct up again. What happened to this tab? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna the bad thing is I have to do this. I don't like this at all. Yeah, we cannot use inline because this is going to Oh, I see a better solution now. We could, instead of doing all this, we can we can have the macro that accept the name of the vector type here. Still not good. Yeah, but that could be possible. Accept the name of the vector and then wrap this struct inside the macro. And instead of using opaque void here, so we just use what user specify into the macro parameter. But then we have to do all for the functions as well. That is also a lot of work here. Okay. Let's see if this is going to work or not. Yes, strike going to be no more. This. Okay. Return is should not be here because you cannot. Oh, is it possible or not? Whether we can return from the macro itself? That would be interesting. So I think we're gonna try that. Vector test to see.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, let's test something here. Test macro return. We input something there, and it's going to do y for and return maybe something. This is very tricky things to do. Let's see. Yeah, I keep looking at the dojo as well in case something like that. Well, return test macro return. Is this even possible? Let's see. Oh yeah. Multi-line comment. Okay. 51. Let me check in this. 51 will. Okay, maybe seems cannot use. Oh, this is weird. So I'm gonna do a research a little bit. Use comment in macro. Use comment in multi-line macro. Oh, come on. Come on, my internet. What happened? Oh. Okay, bye dude. Come on. What the hell? Add comment in. Okay, let's keep that first then. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, yeah. Then bar should be no more. Side of instruction name. Actually, we can have this. Let's see. Okay. Estimate length. Expand from macro. Oh, again, estimate length. Okay. Return out. This only curve. What? Incompatible pointer to integer. Return out. What the hell? Okay, let's do something. Okay, test now. Yeah, I could test to see. Move it to another tab. Very good. Hello. Thank you for coming. Let's go forward. Go back. Okay, line 177. 177. In returned. Expect expression. What happened? Defy test macro return. Okay. Expect. Okay, do some research into it. Can macro return value in C? Oh, I think my internet is so bad now I cannot do anything. Hello. Live? Yes, yes, sir. Yep, this is live. Okay. I cannot do. What I do? Okay, so I'm gonna. No. Oh, no problem, man. I think your English is good. No worry, man. No worry, no worry. Yeah. Yeah. You if you need have question or anything, just ask, and I try to answer. But normally this is mostly about the programming thing and stuff. So what I'm doing here, you see, is going to be understandable for you already. Yeah. Yeah. But if there's something you need to want to ask or something like that, yeah, feel free. I can do it. Thank you again. I cannot speak your cannot pronounce your name, but anyway. Stream. Yeah, the streaming connection may be a little bit slow today. I don't know why. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again. I'm gonna try to find the answer on that. Use comment. No. The first thing to do is can we return value? Difficult. What is that? What do you say? Maybe say you a little difficult. I would try to be slow. Okay, I can be more slower than that. Hey, hello, Bill. Hello, ni hao. Can we return value from macro? My internet is cannot. Cannot do research anymore. Just wait a little bit. Okay, so we found two problems here. It seems like we cannot add the comment inside the macro, and I want to test whether macro can return value as well. Yeah, I just want to test these two things. Oh, yeah. That's because we wrap this thing into the do while statement. It should work if we do something like this. Yeah, that should be no problem. Go back to yeah. Make Oh yeah. Yeah. One. Oh, you also want to be a programmer? That's great. That's great. Hey, thumbs up on that. It's good. It's good. Yeah. So what I'm streaming right now is like actually I'm making games. But for this stream is part of the engine code that I'm gonna use in the game. So and maybe sometimes I find some program or have some idea about something, so I try to implement it. Yeah, things like that. So for today I try to implement vector that we all usually use in C++ in C. Yeah, because the game that I'm gonna make is based in C. Yeah, and this vector stuff that I'm making at the moment is going to be used in the game as well. Yeah, so later you can see more stuff, not just code. So maybe graphic and things like that. I can show you in the next stream. Yeah, for now I try to. Yeah, it's good. You want to be a programmer. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Yeah, you can see here. That's because at the top we have the macro here. We have the macro test macro return here, and actually it's in the step of preprocessor that whenever it see test macro, it's going to translate that into whatever inside that we define. So x is not involved anymore. But what if we change this to be x? We change this to be x. So this line actually translate to x. So value return is x. So in this case, if I change 1 to 10, it's going to return 10, you know. Yeah, you see here, value return is 10 now. So it is based on, oh, you didn't see it yet because on the right. Yeah, you see here, on the right side, value return is 10 now. I change to 100. It can be 100 as well because, yeah. And this is in the comparison step. Make mobile games. No, PC game. I want to let you know here. Oh yeah. This game. Yeah, you can see on this now. Yeah. Actually, this game I make with another two guys. I'm the sole programmer on this and make all the stuff. Another guy taking care of like game design. Another guy on graphics. Yeah, and this game already released back in 3 to 4 years ago. But for now, I try to port and remaster the game, make it into PC and Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch. Yeah. Hopefully it should be released in early 2020. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, this game. This is the game that I'm trying to make it. I'm making this year, and yeah, the code you see here as well. Oh, here. I didn't switch the window just yet. Yeah, this game. Yeah. The mobile version is already there, and you can download it and you play it. But but the PC version and Nintendo Switch, and yeah, this is I'm making on the stream here as well. Yeah. So the code that you see here is as part of the engine code and the game code as well. Yeah. Xbox, no. It's going to be PC and Nintendo Switch first. Xbox can be later. Xbox PS4 can be later. I'm not sure about that because Xbox and PS4 is kinda very close platform, and you need to deal with the dev kit and also pay reasonable more money on that in order to get the dev kit and develop on that. Yeah, but for the Nintendo Switch, I think it's more approachable and yeah, may have more chance on that. Yeah. Thank you. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I cannot read Chinese, but can you let me know how to pronounce your name so I can remember later? D something here. Yeah, you can check it out here. You can check it out. Actually, I can. Yeah, that's it. Switch. I can show you a little bit on this as well. That depends on the internet right now because I'm streaming to show you and stuff and things. Wait. Nah, seems to be problem here. Come on. Yeah, it seems the internet is not that good. So, can show you later. Yep, so, okay. Get back to the vector stuff. Anyway, thanks for asking. Yep. What we're gonna do now? Use comment. Is it there or not? Use comment in macro. The video is so cool. Oh, thank you. So you saw on your side, right? Yeah. You can go to zombiehero.com. Yeah. So the version that you saw is a mobile version. Is more on the casual side, and you just go from the left to right to left, and you will meet with a lot of zombies, right? Is you go like 100 of it. Yeah. But for PC it's different because the user base and also the taste is more like a hardcore. User wanna feel touching on the gamepad, things like that. Yeah. Touching on this thing. I have Xbox 360 controller here. So yeah, so my mission now is to make it more hardcore based, and we have a plan. I talk with another with the team a little bit as well, that we have general ideas of like what to make it more fun to play and more idea on that. Yeah. There's no way to use in the macros. Okay, so the problem that we saw earlier is that we cannot use multi-line macro. Let me see. Okay. Let me check. Right. Okay. So the result is that there is no way to use comments in the macro except the last line of the macro. That's all. It's just that's what considered to be early offline. Oh, okay. So we cannot use double slash in the macro comment. So let's get back to that, and yeah. Yeah, I can use DC. Right. Gonna be I need to, if we need to comment inside the macro, we need to use this create vector here. Yeah, it can be used now. Okay. Let's get back to test. Yeah, test macro can be deleted now because we proved the concept already. And okay, let's test it again. Clear my brother. Yeah, I'm gonna encode that. Vector name. This is going to be the struct name. Struct name of us is the my struct here. My struct. How often do I sleep? I almost normally 5 to 6 hours. Yeah, but in some case that I need to implement things and it got very hard and need to attention much on that, I will sleep at noon, overnight. Yeah. Yeah. Sleep is not a problem for me. I if I can be a superhero or something like that and not going to sleep, it would be great because I can work all the time. Yeah, so yeah, normally 5 to 6 hours is enough for me. I don't need 8 hours, but sometimes I'm really lazy. I can sleep 10 more hours is okay too. Sometimes I really lazy on that, very tired or something like that. Yeah, but mostly I work late like this. I gonna like to stream late at night, maybe 9 and 9.5 at night, and stream for 1 to 2 hours, something like that. Yeah. Okay, go back to this again. My struct s is 10. Let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, I know Chinese people like to use the 6, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 real, right? Real. Yeah. 6 mean you laugh. But for Thai for Thai people, we use 5. We use 5. Yeah. Something like this. I'm gonna let you. Yeah. Okay, so I think we can make it again. So incompatible pointer to 171. 171. Okay, let's see what happened. Incompatible pointer to integer conversion return vector form of function with result type int. Oh. Okay, so let's research a little bit and find out whether we can return value from macro or not. Can we return value from macro in C? Yeah, hopefully my internet is good now. Okay. Using and returning output in C macro. Right. I'm not sure we can do this. This is relatively complicated code. There is not much reason to have in macro, make it inline or static. With any reasonable compiler. Okay. Where are you coming from? I come from Bangkok. From Thailand. Yeah. What is this? Okay. Hey, okay, my internet is back now. Yeah, I'm coming from Thailand, Bangkok. Yeah, thanks for asking. But nonetheless, repeating like function a bit for some Repeating fun you can get within one. I agree with that. We can add in this use statement. Okay, I try to find the answer whether macro in C can return a value or not. I'm trying to instrument some code to cache and print error message. Currently I'm using macro something like this. Normally I never capture the function output and this works fine. But I found a couple cases where I also need a return value from the out function. I try something like this. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Thank you. I live here for 2 years already. Yeah, mostly I didn't go out that much. Just stay in the room, make games. Yeah, but I go out usually sometimes. Yeah, explore the world a little bit. Yeah, but not that much. If you go to Thailand as well, I'm gonna say the same thing. Welcome to Thailand. I tried something like the following, but this produced a syntax error. I tried something like the following, but this produced a syntax error. Okay. I think we might not need, if we cannot just return it out, we can just like what should I say? Accept the pointer parameter here, add the vector new here, and then yeah, user get back the pointer of the newly created stuff. So, but before we do that, I gonna just confirm whether what data type that macro return. What data type that macro return. It seems like it returned integer. Get returning value from macro. Okay, we cannot do it because we still inside the do while statement. So pretty much useless there to have a return is not practical. Instead we're gonna do something like this. Out here is a pointer that we created and then we return back. So in this case we just, instead of return out, we're going to just out and yeah, si is equal to, so okay, let's go through this vector new again. So firstly we just do a checking whether estimate length is more than 0 because we need to allocate the enough space for the buffer, and then we create the vector here. Use malloc memory allocation, size of vector, size of size of yeah, okay, we're gonna deal with this problem later. And current length of the element, we have no elements yet, so it's 0. And manage length is estimate length, because when user specify estimate length into vector new, we're gonna allocate beforehand the space that for amount of element that user gonna use for better performance, and then later when user add, yeah, so we no need to allocate more space. Okay, bye bye, see you, thank you man. Okay, and free element here is this function pointer that because some element, custom element, we might need customize the allocate of the memory, so we can specify here, but for now it's null. Yeah, anyway, when we finish on this, then we return out the pointer back. I want to test this first whether this is correct or not. So we get okay. Let's check it. If vec2 if vec2 is not null, this was checking. Oh, yeah. Vector. So we declare the holding variable for us first. It's going to be null, and then use this. Yeah, use this to hold back. Right. No error. Not known. Wow. Seems that we can achieve it. Yay. Okay. I'm gonna explain fully soon. Let me check a little bit if it's not known. Let me print the address of this writer first. Address of vec2 equal to %p. Yeah, we use %p to print the address of the pointer. Yeah, let's see. And also we print out the element of this. Oh, vec2. Yeah, let's see the structure of the vector here. It has length and m length. Yeah, so I'm gonna print. I'm gonna print some value of that vector struct here. Length vec2 length equal to vec2 length. I forget new line. Vec2 dot m length. This should be 10 because we specify 10, as you can see here. Vector new my struct 10 vec2 m length. Print out vec2 dot string. Yeah, let's see. Yes, correct. It can generate. So we just proof of concept that actually we can use macro to make our vector. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. This is still something. It's still something. Because right now we still specify to the normal vector struct. We have to find some way to change that opaque pointer or buffer into specific type, because we already send the struct name inside. Struct name, yeah. Let's check. So it prints out that vec2 stride is 272. I'm gonna check whether it's correct or not. So yeah, I just want to print it here. Size of my struct. Yeah, and use side up. Look. Okay. Yeah, it's correct. You see here, vec2 the stride 272 and size of my struct is 272, so it's basically correct. The code inside macro can detect and work as expect. Now, the next step is to find some way to change from opaque pointer here. You can see in add line, add I highlight here. Yeah, we need to change it to specific type. How can we do that? How can we do it? Can we do it? How can we do it? Okay. Let seems there's no way on this, so let's check the cost of data conversion, whether if it's already has the same structure, how much cost it's gonna take. Cost of data conversion in C. Okay. Performance overhead of typecasting variable in C. I have seen people recommend to avoid typecasting of variable as much as possible in high-performing applications. I never understood the reason for this, and I tend to typecast a lot of times, mostly to avoid compiler warning. Does this have any application on performance currently in code? Are solutions which take typecasting is mostly done during compilation time. Not sure about fixed point to floating point. What do I know? If you can listen to it. Does casting have any application on performance? Not directly. Typecast express an explicit conversion. A typecast express an explicit conversion of the value from one data type to another. It is rarely the conversion that has the potential for a performance impact. And if such a conversion is going to be performed whether you cast or not, then the cast has no performance impact whatsoever. What is this? Oh yeah, net file, thank you. Live now, right now. Yeah, it is live. Thank you for coming. Okay, I'm gonna type this as well. Yeah. For example, some compiler can be sent. No. It is really the conversion that has a potential for a performance impact. And if such a conversion is going to be performed whether you cast or not, then the cast has no performance impact. Okay. For example, some compiler can be set to warn about implicit conversion from floating point type to integer type. And often this warning can be silent by making the conversion explicit with the cast. Oh, okay, I'm lost thought now. Again, for example, some compilers can be set to warn about implicit conversion from floating point type two integer types, and often these warnings can be silenced by making the conversion explicit with the cast. Okay, that doesn't change the fact that the conversion will be performed, and that such conversions are not free, but the cast doesn't make the conversion any more expensive than it otherwise would be. Oh, so okay, let's finish reading this paragraph first, this whole thing first. Additionally, some conversion can be implemented for free. For example, on most machines, size and unsigned integer type width of the same width have compatible representation, so converting work between these two types is an okay, if this guy is correct, in which case I should trust him, right? Because he has so a lot of like a reputation here on the Stack Overflow. Yeah, he say, should I? You guys see this? Yeah. For example, on most machines, signed and unsigned integer type with all the same width have compatible representation. So if signed and unsigned integer have the same byte in the representation, it say on this, converting between these two is going to be no operation. So basically no performance hit at all. Casts that only add or remove type qualifier other than atomic are also in this category. Okay, I think what we're trying to do here is that it might fall into this category because it's just add the type qualifier because the underlying buffer, as you can see in the code, I'm going to change it to this, is that yeah, basically at the debit level is going to be the byte. Yeah, the byte things, how many bytes of this struct gonna be stored byte by byte, right? And we just grab this chunk of byte and then convert it to specific type. So there should be no problem, if I understand it correctly. Let's continue reading first. Struct pass to the function which take. C does not require compatible representation for different pointer type. But in practice, it's rare these days for different pointer type to have different representation. Therefore, conversion between pointer type are usually free. Conversion between pointer type are usually free. Oh, it seems that we waste our time here doing something that we hope to improve the performance, but actually let me see, where is that code?
Let's go back.
Yeah, but actually this line of code, as we cast it to the mystruct pointer as well, is basically free. So there's no performance hit here. Yeah, you're right, netfile. I can just try to compile this and see the assembly code on this and compare the stuff. Yeah, good suggestion. Thank you. Yeah, so I think maybe the what we cast here is not going to be performance hit. Yeah. So netfile suggests to see the try to disassembly the codes to see the the machine language, something like that. It generate from compile the stuff and then compare the codes. Yeah, good suggestion. I gonna do it. I gonna check it after the stream. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So therefore, conversion between pointer type is free. That hardly matter. Cache you ask is one in which parameter will certain or not. However, because the specific case you asked about is one in which the conversion will be performed, whether you insert a specific cache or not. This may be free depending on the specification and comparable. However, if the value being converted was already being held in to this is an option, the compiler might be able to implement it in C. Okay. So can I do this to I can conduct a test on this. Yeah, I can do something on this. So I think the netfile suggestion is good. So we might abandon the improvement at the moment because it's not going to change the fact that no, we're gonna validate with whether okay. Let me speak it again. We're gonna test it whether converting from, let me see. So we're gonna validate whether converting from different pointer type to another different pointer type, what cost is that? So I will try to write a testing code on this and then try to see it generate assembly code, and then let's see what the instruction the program execute on that, and let's see if this I'm not get used to the using third-party tools out there. I'm not quite sure on that, but anyway, let's try to see. Okay, gonna first. Okay, let's go to scrap. Test script. Okay. Okay, so what I need to do, let's declare something, value top 10, then let's have pointer type of value here. In which case point to value. And let's have oh, no. And let's try to convert it. Long value PTR. We're gonna try to test another data type later. For now, because the fact is that we wanna see the cost of conversion from void pointer into specific type of blah 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 something. In this case, this is a struct. Yeah. Want to see the cost of this, whether it has some real cost or not. So we're gonna try to do this. Yeah, but at first I need to check whether my syntax is good or not. Just want to finish a little bit. I should not do something wrong here. Let's see. Okay. Test herb and then compile it. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so it is 10. I'm gonna remove the irrelevant code now. Actually, we have no need to use the standard IO as well. Oh, no need as part of that. Anyway. Okay, you can use it. No. Want to try to eliminate all the things here. Okay. Let's see how can I generate the assembly code. Yeah. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's it. I think so. I think the same. I thought the same at net file here, that it just convert the pointer, and I think the same, that convert between the pointer here is there no cost here, because it's a pointer type, and the pointer type is depend on the system that you run, maybe 32-bit or 64-bit, right? So basically it should be no cost there. But I just want to prove, as you say, I think it's good suggestion to prove something, so I'm gonna try to. Okay. Yeah, so So basically is that actually what we did is not just waste because we can use the macro and then user specify the type in order for the underlying code to automatically convert to the type that we need later. Okay, let's see how can I generate assembly code from by setting December option. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's gcc.s test perp okay. Oh, it's super S in capital. Okay, let's see what we have here. I didn't do this quite often, so yeah. Okay, did you see on the window on the right side here what we have? I should change to the coding window a little bit. Yeah, so compare. Actually, I can do it both sides here. Test perp.s. Oh, big S. Yeah, thank you. Oh, this is getting interesting now. I'm not get used to the assembly code or anything. So value 10. So where is value 10? Okay, maybe this is it. Okay, so this is stuff. Maybe push the thing on the stack in the main function here. Blah blah blah. I'm not quite sure what this is. Move RCX. Okay. Okay. I need to read how to find how to read how to interpret assembler output from GCC. Okay. Right. If you are using GCLC client, the Intel argument tell the compiler to generate assembly with Intel syntax less than infinity, and the save temp argument tell the compiler to save temporary files. Also out there. Okay, I think I should at least make sure that I use Intel syntax here. Oh. I'm not sure whether the default is a Intel syntax or not. I hope it might not be the case, so I can try to see Intel. Let's try deploy. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna keep searching a little bit then. What is the default assembler syntax output from GCC? Learning to using to improve. Okay, this window is getting generate Intel syntax. Okay. I just tried this on Mac and it's well, so I look in man page. Output ASM instruction using select dialect. Okay, so ATT is the default one. In this case, is make syntax a little bit ugly, as I saw it. So, but why I didn't see this? I didn't see this, so let's see. XDG LMMM massing. Interesting. There's no So
Let's go back.
okay, so I cannot use this then. This is the mask. Do it again. GCC. Okay, hopefully something. Now this is the Intel syntax now. Oh, change to the. I forget to change to the coding window. Yeah, so I regenerated with GCC hyphen big S and then specify that I gonna see the Intel syntax here. Let's see what happened here. Okay. Things. Okay. I need to search a little bit on how to interpret this. I definitely believe that the first of this is like a put the things on the stack and then go to the right offset and then you begin the function. And at this point, I think it might be now. Let me see. That is really a function. Assemble Intel function AP document. But from what we saw right now is that move 10 to the pointer and then RCX. Still quite mix source, right? And assembly. How can I do it? Okay. I'm looking at it now. That's so cool. Yeah. If you compile with debug symbol, you can use object dump to produce more readable audio. Yeah, we can generate object file and then we go back to that. Okay. Ooh. GCC. Oh my god. The syntax is quite unbelievable. Okay, let me follow the instruction from net file here. gcc.wa. What is this? adhln source. Okay, this one before source file. Let's see, and then generate into assembly source code. Okay. All unsupported. ADHL. Is this a requirement or need for me to supply like this? ADHLN. What if I just okay. No. Produce nothing. Not sure, maybe it's not support on Mac, man. I cannot execute that function. Yeah, I'm gonna keep note of that on your command. Let's try something like generate debug info with the compilation here. GCC test, generate the debug info and compile this thing into object file. Okay, object file here, and then used. Wait, yeah, and then use object dump as assemble was. Okay, DM Intel and S. Let's try this. Oh, and test pub. This you mean the. Come on. Executing stuff on Mac OS is going to be help. Oh yeah. Unknown command line M. Okay, I think is object dump with Intel syntax on Mac OS. Yeah. Oh, 2 hours and a half now. Okay. G. Okay. I'm gonna use GNU object dump on this. Yeah. Unload. File format not recognized. Oh. Okay, I think it should be the way. Yeah, the command that netfile already suggests is good, but it doesn't, unfortunately doesn't work on my Mac. Alternate mix source and this is the on Mac. Try it again. Okay. Yeah. Sorry to let you know that I try to switch fully to Linux later. Yeah, because the ecosystem on Mac is not what I'm happy with in the long term. Yeah, but for now I'm using this to develop the things. I found a command here, maybe I can use it. Try to so let's see. C clang test perp.s x86 Intel. I'm not sure this is going to work or not. Oh, it's working. What we have here? Let's remove this out. Remove this out. Remove this out. Remove test perp as well. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much, Netfile. It's very helpful suggestion. Yeah, put it into the right direction here. Okay, what we have here? Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Good. C clang. What is they doing this? MLVM. Oh yeah, this is LVM, so M is the architecture, I think maybe. Let's see. Let's see what is the option M. What does this thing do? Oh. Keep searching. Generate source code with assembly. Yeah, if we can validate this question, so I can have a good sleep tonight, and we can move on. Implement vector, not to go overboard on that. We can decide later whether to actually use a macro to let user a little bit more easier to use the API vector itself or not. Yeah. Yeah, exactly like what you say here as well. I'm looking for something. Okay, anyway, I think on Mac is not work. We're gonna, yeah, I can just execute on the my remote server here. Okay, okay, this could be it. So I'm gonna send the file to them to the server. Let me see. Scrap paper. Okay, get it, and then exit. I'm gonna send a source file there using rsync. Maybe progress paper.c and send it to SSK. Right? No. Damn, I need to enter this. No, use another server. Scrap. Test perp here. Right. Oh, the same. Send it. Send test perp.c to their what's it called? Oh, I didn't use this. Oh, actually. Right. Yeah. And then we're gonna go over to scrap test perp, and now I'm gonna use your command now. Yeah, exactly the same as what I just didn't know the parameter of ADHLN here, but anyway, I'm gonna do it later. But for G is will generate the debug information inside the object file after the compilation as well, and WA is to warn everything. And SMB need to work. Need to work. Yep, need to work now. Right, and we're gonna examine this thing together. Okay, let's send this file back. Echo pwd and smb. Yep. I'm gonna download this file down. Yes, and then now I can switch to the bigger window here, and this is out. Assembly.s. What? Oh, it's TED perp. Okay, I'm gonna assembly.s. Yep, so we can assemble this together. Ooh. Okay. Here at line 6, I'm gonna Test curve C. Yeah. So at line 6 here, move that to that. Oh, okay. Ooh, convert now. Whoa, interesting here. It seems that two operation here, but what is this? Oh, two operation. So we're gonna highlight this. We can do one more, I think. We can do one more thing. Try to no. Move. Yeah, we need to. We're gonna need to understand what is this. It's move something. Move Q assembly. We're gonna try to understand this. What is this? It seems that is just move stuff in order to store the value elsewhere. I was reading some code and was not sure what this line does. Exactly. Move Q, assume you're talking about x86. It is a move of a quad word 64-bit value, this particular instruction. Looks very much like code that will walk up through stack frames. This particular instruction grabs the quad word point to by the current stack pointer and load it into the stack pointer around it. Okay. So in this case, it's something like the stack pointer RBP here. BP here. It load the value into X. No. By way of some of this code sequence based on real code and the Intel, we can new load the stack pointer for into the wall. Yeah, I try to understand it. I think so. I think it's the assignment cost. Is do you think it's moved from RBP to RAX, right? And then move from RAX to RBP again. So minus 24 and minus 16 here. What is this? Maybe maybe just the offset of the byte, right? I think. Yeah. So yeah, net file is right. Is int value pt. Yep. Is int value ptr. Let me see it. Oh. Oh yeah. You're right. 124 RBP. Yeah. Both quad word. Yep, exactly. And oh yeah. Woo! Thank you, Netfile. I think we solved the problem now. You're right. And understand now that actually it's just the cost of assignment. It's just move the content from minus 24 RBP, in which case this is in value PTR here, and move it to the intermediate register here called IX, and then move from IX to the destination, in which case this is long value PTR. So there's no cost of the conversion at all for conversion between pointer to pointer. Yeah, so it's answered our question now. I want to try to do something else a little bit. If we try to, so we answer this question now. Answer is there is no cost whatsoever. And the next question is that, not next question, I just want to see a little bit here. If we try to convert different size of the data type here, what it should be. It's like float should be 4 byte, right? Double should be 8 byte. Let me see. Size of float, size of double. Okay. We're almost there. Oops. Okay, that's no problem. 4 and 8. If I convert from float to double, is more byte here. What's going to happen? We're going to see more instructions showing up in assembly, I think. Convert from smaller type to bigger type. So it's going to be float to double. Let's see. I'm going to comment this thing first. Alright. 4. I have float F1 10, and then double D1. And that's it. I'm gonna send this thing to my Linux again. But at first, let's compile first. Okay, and let's send this back. Let's send this. Test perp. Okay. let's do that again. Two. Okay, and we're gonna sorry, we're gonna grab that down. Two. Okay, let S and B. Two. Okay, we are here now. Convert font smaller. Ah. It's pretty much, yeah, there's something here you can see. So there's a little bit more cost here than just to move around, but I think this is the also optimized in terms of the instruction set here, so it should be similar stuff because this is the very basic type that conversion. Yeah, I'm gonna find out what is this CVT to SD here. I think it's just a convert stuff. Yeah, just a convert stuff, but we're gonna find out a little bit because we're here already. Okay, this is almost 3 hours mark of the stream now, so we're gonna try to finish soon, and we can maybe next stream we're going to implement the vector based on this knowledge. I'm gonna decide later whether we should go further on that. So at this moment, that vector struct that I had on GitHub already is pretty much as validated by the test that we have here. There's no cause at all in conversion, so we can just flip tight, no need to worry about it. But we can also do a little bit more further by using the macro and then assign the type, so the code will automatically convert to the desired type of the user. So user no need to convert by hand a little bit later. Yeah, so that's just a simple stuff to do. So should be not more than 10 minutes. I'm gonna end this stream. Let's try to understand this first, and then we're gonna, yeah, CVTSS to the convert scalar single precision floating point to, yeah. So actually this is optimized SSE to, wow, okay, so this is something that is already optimized from the ground up already, so there should be no cost whatsoever. Okay, let's try one more thing. What if I convert the struct here? It should be no problem because we already validate that convert between pointer to pointer is there's no cost at all. But I'm gonna explicit prove it again. Just one more time and then we're done. I'm gonna define my struct here. My struct. No, I use snakeheads. Okay, so I'm going to define my struct here. My struct. Yeah. Can I do something like this? I think it should be okay. Okay, cannot do. Oh, it's just forget the variable name. S1. Okay, this work. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to convert it to the opaque pointer here. PTR. Let's see what the cause is. And yeah, I'm gonna comment a little bit as well. Convert to opaque pointer. And this convert back to struct. Oop. Okay, so malloc add there's nothing to worry about this because we didn't access the member at all. We just do deep copy, as you can see here, add or remove or things like that. We just calculate the correct byte offset here, and then we just do the things. Just only the vector get here that. Oh, it's good because we return as a pointer. Yeah, I think we have no need to do further optimization on this. It's better decision. Anyway, I'm gonna a little bit proof on this. We try to convert on. We convert the struct to void pointer here. Let's see the cause and try to convert back from void pointer back to struct value. So let's see what it's gonna be. H2 boom. Gonna be struct my struct pointer from PTR, and then we dereference it. Yeah. Actually, if you work on this struct, I think most of the time you're gonna do a type definition. Do something like do something like this. Do something like this, and you can define the type name here, blah 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 here, and you can use the blah 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 as the name of the struct without using the struct keyword. Yeah. Sometimes I just want to use purely struct and no type definition. And I know that Linus Torvalds, that the creator, the man behind the Linux, he strongly like to use struct with no type definition because there's going to be a problem about the forward declaration later. Yeah. Yeah, but I blend between the two. Okay, let's take this, and then we're done with this stream. Okay. Send this code to my server here. Okay, test perp. Boom. Scrap test perp, and we can do the same. 3 now, and then exit, and then we grab that things back to our local system. 3. Okay, and then let's take a look at this. 3. Huh? What happened? Oh, I specified the wrong file name. La la la. Going back to the lowest. Okay, now we see something in it. Convert to opaque pointer. Convert struct to opaque pointer here. What happened here? We're gonna find out what is this. Gonna find out what is this first. Lay instruction. Yes, address is always the same size, you correct? Really? What is this? Oh no. Change to the bigger research. Okay. So basically that instruction lay Q something, do something here. Stuff we. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Yeah. It's gonna cost. I just need to understand what is this word is. Calculate something here. I think this is called as a bishop. RCX, RCA. 4. Okay, let's get back to the coding window. Let me see a little bit. Yeah. .48 RBP is a struct of us, and the struct. Oh, okay, maybe layer Q, maybe. Yeah, load the address. Yeah, you're right. I just understand it right now. Yeah. So thank you, Netfar. So layer Q is load the address of that. Load the address of that into IX and then get it back into yeah, PTR, in which case it is the offset minus 16 RBP, and then we try to, so at this point there's no cost of it. There's no cost because it should be fast. These two instruction set. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, almost there, people. This is 3 hours mark already. Convert back to struct. Yeah. Convert to opaque pointer. Yeah, it's just this part that is might be a little, convert back to struct. It has mode 3. Okay, and trying to understand the cost of this convert back to struct here. Let me see. It's just contain has 3 instruction here. PTR is BP. Move that into RAX and move the content of that. Yeah, so this line is just the, I think it's just the move the address, right? Move the content. Then move it into it's just surprising for me that it just contain 3 instruction set here. It should contain more. It just move 3 things. Okay. Yeah, actually, okay, understand now. It's just the cost of dereferencing, but the because PTR is already pointer, it's just a void pointer, and convert to pointer of struct is just no cost at all. It's just normal things. It's just moving the things, making ready. So we know already that pointer to pointer is just cost to instruction set. Yeah, because it need to put that address to somewhere. In this case, is IAX, right? Yeah, and then it dereferencing all of this stuff. In which case, it needs just one more instruction set in order to get to the content that pointer it point to. So we get back S2 as a struct. So yeah, I checked the code in vector for us already that we used. So let me go back to that, and then we wrap this up. Yeah, wrap this up. Yeah, it's just we didn't do any of like dereferencing in anywhere of the code of the vector struct that we have, and yeah, so basically that's pretty much the same, no cost at all. Yeah, and user can also grab the buffer back and cast it themselves, like you see here. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the decision up to us now, that we're gonna convert automatically before we return or not in the next stream. Yeah, but basically this answer the things that we already try to find. The performance is not drop. Yeah, it's basically the same. So thank you, people. Yeah, this is at part of the making games. Yeah, the code, the thing and the stuff. So we're gonna try to go live on this regularly. Yeah, so if you like what you see here, so remember to follow. Yeah, and I have social media on like a Twitter, GitHub there, and also WeChat. You can add me on that, the WeChat ID here there. And yeah, so see you guys on next stream. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye. See you next stream.